Welcome to my channel. I am Moody Chef Sargun and today I'll make crispy corn. For more quick and delicious recipes, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. So let's get started. Wash the corn and put it in a bowl. Now add oregano and chili flakes along with cornflour and mix until evenly coated. Take a pan and add oil for deep frying. When the oil is hot and on high flame, add the cornflour coated corn. Fry it for 6 to 7 minutes or till the coating gets golden brown. In another pan, add a little oil and saute chopped onions till translucent. Now add the bell pepper and cook it for 1 minute. After that, I am adding a mix of 2 parts soy sauce and 1 part vinegar along with some Schezuan sauce. Add salt as per your taste and mix it. Now it's time for our main ingredient, cornflour coated corn. Add it and mix thoroughly. Voila! Crispy corn is ready. Top it with coriander and serve it hot. If you like this video, then subscribe to my channel and share with all your friends and family. For more such delicious recipes, keep watching Moody Chef Sargun.